Good afternoon. I'm Liane Jackson, Senior Law Editor at Forbes, and I am joined today by Neama Rahmani. He is the president of West Coast Trial Lawyers and also a former federal prosecutor. And I wanted to talk to you. I'm glad that you're with us because as a former federal prosecutor, I wanted to find out a little bit more because today we're talking about Judge Aileen and her latest decision to dismiss the classified documents case against former President Trump, to dismiss the entire case. And one of her reasons in the decision was that she felt that Special Prosecutor Jack Smith was unlawfully appointed. I want to get your take on that and what this means for going forward and for potential appeal.
Liane, I was shocked. We have decades of precedent appointing special prosecutors in this country, and Judge Cannon ruled that that appointment was unconstitutional for two reasons. First, senior officers of the United States, like the Attorney General and U.S. attorneys, have to be appointed by the president and confirmed by the Senate. So Judge Cannon ruled that Smith's appointment violated the Appointments Clause of the Constitution. She also said that because the special counsel is funded automatically, that violates the Appropriations Clause of the Constitution, which requires Congress to affirmatively decide whether to appropriate funds or not.
Do you think this was quite an interesting decision? Some people have called this sort of a stretch, and that a lot of her decisions have seemed to be trending towards finding ways to at least, at the minimum, delay the case. And in this case, she's tossed out the entire case. What do you think about the reasoning behind those that you described just now?
Judge Cannon is either a bad judge or she's biased. She's considering arguments that no other judge would, and she's favored Trump at every possible turn. I felt that she may dismiss the case, but on presidential immunity. The Supreme Court gave her a very clear path to do so. But to rule that the special counsel is unconstitutionally appointed, that's something that has ramifications, not just for this case, even though she said a ruling is just limited to this case. Think about Hunter Biden, who has been and continues to be prosecuted by a special counsel. The same reasoning would apply to his case. Should his case be dismissed, no other judge would have considered this argument. No other judge would have granted this argument. I wouldn't be surprised if Judge Cannon gets reversed on appeal by the 11th Circuit or even the Supreme Court.